Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio. So it's actually very simple. What you have to do is just simply open up Claude AI first of all and let this stay in the background while you can just open up Roblox Studio. And once you open Roblox Studio, right over here what you have to do is just press on create new experience, and then you just need to go to new experience right over here. And once you're here, what you have to do is right over here just press on AI assistant, and right over here you'll see your AI assistant right over here. So after that what you have to do is simply press on these three dots right over here and then press on manage MCP servers. Right over here make sure that enable MC Studios as MCP servers is turned on, and right over here you'll see two options like anti-gravity and Claude desktop. So we're here for Claude. What you have to do is just press on setup instructions. Right over here you just need to copy JSON configuration. Alright, once you do that, after that you need to go to Claude again and simply press on these three dots, horizontal lines on the top corner, file, and then settings. Go to developer, edit config. Right over here you just need to go to Claude desktop config and then open it with Notepad. Okay, once you open it up with Notepad, just simply go ahead and remove all of this and just simply go ahead and press paste your Roblox and then save it up. Once you save it, just simply close it, go back, and once this is done, just simply restart your Roblox. Make sure you press on save and name it AI and then save it. Okay. Alright, here we go. Now once it's saved, it's just gonna take a while, and go. Here we go. Now you need to open up Roblox Studio again. Once you open it up, you just need to go to this experience that you had saved. So we'll find it over here. So if it's saved, you just need to go ahead and open the base plate, and once you do that you'll see your Claude desktop being turned on, and you can directly type in assistant, and that's basically connected. So I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.